accentuates, is that the right word? I don't know. Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my false lashes. I know there's a bunch of different ways to do it and everyone does it differently, but this is just my personal way. I think it's super quick and super easy, and once you get the hang of it, you're good to go. Now, I do wear lashes a lot. I just love how each different lash can make a certain eyeshadow look or just anything look super different, either with thick lashes or thin lashes or super flirty lashes. So yeah, I do wear lashes with eyeshadow and eyeliner, and then sometimes I wear them when I have just face makeup on and I don't want to do any eyeliners. A huge thing with lashes, you know that they are on correctly if you don't feel them. Obviously, if it's the first time wearing them, you will feel them. It'll be a little weird and uncomfortable, but they should be super comfortable and you shouldn't feel them if they are on correctly. So I get a few uses out of some of my lashes, especially because I do try to take care of them. I do pick the lash glue off. I don't put mascara on them, and I do try to clean them as much as possible so they do last pretty long. Oh, I'm going to zoom you guys in and we'll get started with the applying of the lashes. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to be using today are the Ardell black lashes in the style number 602, if that's helpful. These, as you can tell, are very much loved and used a lot, but if you take care of your lashes and clean them, then you can get a few uses out of them, and that's what I do with my lashes. And Ardell lashes last super long, and I would totally recommend Ardell lashes for beginners because the bands are a little bit thinner and more flexible than other lash brands, and I just personally think that these are more comfortable. It took me a while to get used to thicker lash bands, like House of Lashes, for example. I have a few lashes and their bands are super thick, so it just took me a while to get used to it. But yes, these are my current favorite ones. I wear these a lot because they look super natural when I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or eyeliner, so they're super great. But I still wear them with looks like this, and then I wear them just alone. And I like wearing lashes with just mascara on or just nothing else on but my face. I know a few people that use their fingers, but I personally think tweezers are easier. But a huge tip I have is to make sure your tweezers are clean and have no glue or eyeliner or mascara on them. Mine look dirty, but that's because they're super old. But yeah, it's the worst when you have the lash down in place where you want it and then there's glue on it and the lash gets stuck to the tweezers and you pull it away and then you have to start all over. That happens to me a lot, but I'm super lazy with pulling glue off of them. And also, you want to make sure if you're wearing these lashes multiple times that they are clean. I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive. First thing I'm going to be doing, if I can show you this, is I'm going to be holding my tweezers sideways across the band. And the thinner the better, honestly, in my opinion. I've seen that the less glue kind of adheres better, and then I take a little extra glue and put some extra glue on the ends because the ends seem to fall off a little bit easier. I let that dry about 30 seconds just until it gets tacky before I apply it. Once this lash is pretty much dry, you want to get it as close to your lash line as possible, but try not to get it actually on your lashes. And I just kind of set it down on the center, take it off, and then I go in with the tweezers and put the edges on. And I start with the outer edge, and then I go to the inner edge, and then I let that kind of set. And if your eyelashes are ever bothering you or itching you, that's probably because it's too close to the inner corner, like the inner half is probably too close to your eye. And then I take the tweezers and I take my real lashes and the fake lashes and I just kind of press them together. And I do apply mascara before I put my lashes on. I know a bunch of other people do it different ways, but I just feel like it's easier, and then it's easier to clean your lashes in the long run. And voila, they're on. Yay! In order to take these off, I know you're not supposed to pull them off. I'm very guilty of that because I get home and I'm tired and I'm lazy and I just want to rip them off. If these lashes just aren't ready to come off, I'll take a little bit of micellar water or coconut oil on a Q-tip and just rub that along the lash line, and then they slide off super easily. But I am very guilty of just ripping them off when I want to. But yeah, this is what they look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and turn on my post notifications, and also follow all my social media that is listed down below. Turn my post notifications on there as well, and comment down below any other video requests you guys have for me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!